What's up, Internet? This is Skinny at Cobourg Nissan, and I've got a 2012 Rogue bought and serviced at Cobourg Nissan. One owner, no accident history, beauty find. Let's go have a look. All right, guys, this is an amazing used car find. This 2012 Nissan Rogue S is a one owner bought and serviced at our store, no accident history gem. So the Nissan Rogue features a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, absolutely amazing on fuel. You're gonna blast past the fuel pumps in this. Now the Rogue is a kind of smaller sized SUV, super family friendly, lots of room in the back. As you come around here, you can see it's got the rear sonar here so you don't go bumping into stuff if you're parking it. Let's have a look, show you the trunk. Got lots of room back here, as you can see, for any bigger parcels you may have. And then underneath, you've got a little bit more storage here. So it is a very, very family friendly vehicle, like I mentioned. Come around the side, you can see it's finished in this nice gunmetallic gray. Absolutely great condition, especially for 2012. Best of all, there are only 69,000 kilometers on this. So a very low mileage vehicle. Like I said, serviced at our store as well. Let's have a quick look on the inside. I want to show you these back seats, show you how much legroom you have. Let's open her up. So like I said, family friendly. Even if you have adult passengers in the back, they are going to be good to go. Moving along to the front. Cloth seats in fantastic condition. No odors, no smells, definitely a non-smoker. It does have a height adjustable seat as well, so that seat goes up and down to give you a better view of the road. You can see here you've got your Bluetooth and radio controls all on the steering wheel, cruise controls as well. 69,459 kilometers. AM, FM, CD stereo, auxiliary input, air conditioning, automatic. It's even got sport mode. Oh yeah, gotta love sport mode on these Rogues. But guys, this is a fantastic car. A 212 Rogue, low mileage, one owner. An absolutely great find. My name is Skinny. I love working at Cobourg Nissan. You're gonna love buying here. If you have any questions about this or any other vehicle we have in stock, give us a call, send us an email, or come on down and visit us today. Really appreciate you watching this video, and hopefully this can be yours. Take care.